Bitcoins are a popular option for starting out in cryptocurrency investing and trading. Whilst they are relatively highly priced, they are also the most stable cryptocurrency. And Bitcoins are available on most, if not all, the crypto exchanges operating today. In Europe you can use Bitcoin.de and Kraken. In the USA, Coinbase is a popular choice, and in Asia there is OKCoin and Bitflyer. But these only represent some of the options that you have available to you. Altcoins are defined as any cryptocurrency that is not Bitcoin, and there are literally hundreds and hundreds of altcoins. They are considered riskier, but there are a few options that have now risen in the market. These are more stable and are still priced lower per unit than Bitcoin, so making them an ideal entry coin for traders. If you would like to trade in an altcoin, there are plenty of exchanges that offer alternative coins to Bitcoin. Some will sell a specific altcoin, some will trade a few, and a few of the bigger ones, will trade them all. There are literally hundreds of altcoins in the market, so you may have to search for the best exchange to trade in the coins that you want to trade in. During that search, consider where you live, as this will play a role in which exchange you can use. In the USA, there are a limited number of exchanges that are allowed, and it is better to try and select an exchange that is as close as possible to your geographic location. If that isn't an option, then choose an exchange based in a country which has a strong legal system. This practice increases your chances of being able to retrieve your money if you fall victim to illegal trading activities. The size of the exchange will also have an impact. The larger the exchange, the easier it will be to acquire the coins you want, in the amounts that you want. Smaller exchanges may have limited supplies, and it may take longer to reach your trading goals. Many of the altcoin exchanges are smaller, perhaps unregulated or poorly regulated, so do your research on the reputation of a particular altcoin exchange before you decide to use it. Some exchanges have gone bankrupt with little notice, leaving investors out in the cold. Cryptocurrency markets are volatile, and this is something I can't repeat enough. While it can make for stressful trades, this is also a good characteristic for traders trying to get into the market. The market is prone to bubbles that can come and go rapidly. The worst time to buy would be at the peak of a bubble, and the best time would be when the price is stable and at a lower level. As a rule, you shouldn't really compare cryptocurrency bubbles to traditional market bubbles. Remember that there is naturally more volatility with cryptocurrencies. A small percentage, which may mean a bubble in the forex, is just considered as part of the general daily volatility that you get in the crypto market. A bubble of 1000% is more common with cryptocurrencies. But again, there is no guarantee that this won't continue to grow. Figuring out if a bubble is at its peak or a crash is at its lowest is a big challenge. So watch the coins that you have chosen for a while and learn their patterns. Just like the forex, the cryptocurrency market will show trends and patterns. And in a later chapter, we cover fundamental technical analysis techniques that can help you decide when to buy and when to sell. Now that you have a better understanding of the structure of the cryptocurrency market, it's time to review the general process of buying and selling cryptocurrencies. Any exchange you choose should have step-by-step instructions to guide you through their interface. The bigger exchanges may even offer instructional screenshots or videos. To get the overall idea, in this section we will cover the general steps involved in buying and selling bitcoins. and these are also the same steps that you would use for all cryptocurrencies. If it hasn't been made clear already, then let's repeat this really important lesson. Never leave a third party in charge of your coins. Specifically, this means getting your own wallet and managing your keys. Crypto coins require two kinds of keys or addresses to be stored and traded. These are your public keys and your private keys. A public key is used for incoming deposits and sales, and it is a unique set of numbers or a QR code that you can show people so that they can send you cryptocurrency. A private key is used for outgoing withdrawals and payments, and this is the most important key because it shows the entire blockchain you have in your wallet. It also provides access to everything in your wallet. So if somebody else gets access to this key, they can withdraw whatever they want. The safest route is to store your keys and most of your coins that you aren't using on a daily basis in an offline or cold storage wallet. And a paper wallet is an example of this. You can then transfer what you need or what you want to trade to an online wallet when you need it. To start trading, first of all, you need coins. Starting off with bitcoins is the easiest option, and then you can trade your bitcoins for other cryptocurrencies on the exchange. You can also purchase popular cryptocurrencies directly on some of the major exchanges with fiat money, as these exchanges also act as brokers. And Coinbase is a very straightforward and popular exchange and broker, which allows you to buy coins with fiat money. The exchange or broker that you use to buy your first coins with the fiat currency of your choice doesn't have to be the one that you trade on. In a previous section we covered exchange options that you can use to start your cryptocurrency trading journey. You'll need to set up an account, and this may require ID verification. This step helps to ensure that fraud or other illegal activities are kept to a minimum, and that there is a greater chance of legal remedy should you need it. While ID verification might make some of you feel a little uncomfortable because you want to retain your privacy, this measure is in use to help protect you. If you still aren't comfortable with this process, you still have the option of using a platform that allows for direct trading with other users. Here each side sets their price, which isn't based on the underlying market. However, if you decide to use an exchange, the verification process can take a couple of days. Once this is complete, you will send some of your bitcoins to the exchange so that you can use them to purchase your altcoins. These will be stored in an exchange wallet and are ready to be used for trading. The exchange will keep track of your balances, and they also provide charts and other analysis tools that you can use to make smarter trades. But please remember to not keep the bulk of your coins in these hot wallets. Exchange wallets are considered the easiest for hackers to break into. Entering your bid is the same as buying coins, and it is a very simple process. You need to find the exchange's order book and the current asking price for the coin that you want to buy. If you set your bid, that is your buy order, for a higher price than the seller's price, or their lowest ask, your order will be filled quickly. If this isn't the case, you will need to wait a little longer for your order. Once somebody accepts your bid, the order is filled and your chosen coin will be transferred to your exchange wallet. Selling your coin is also referred to as setting an ask, and there are typically 3 scenarios where you might want to sell your coin. If your coin has gone up in price to where you wanted to sell it. If it's fallen in price and you want out before it goes any lower. Or if you want to cash out and convert your coins into fiat currency. To do any of these 3, you need to set an ask. And here you set the price at which you would like your trade to happen. You can sell one coin at a time, or you can do what most people do, which is sell a batch. When a buyer accepts your ask price, the trade will be completed, and the coins will end up in your exchange wallet. The process of buying and selling is really that simple.